I have this simple Python project here from my Python exercises series. If you want to check that exercise, the link is in the description. But back to the topic, I'm getting this error that says invalid Python interpreter is selected. So this is because Python is not yet selected here. So what you can do is, if this is not showing up for you, what you can do is you can just click on select interpreter and then go wherever your Python is selected. Sorry, Python is installed. If you're not sure if Python is installed or not, what you can do is you can just press your command prompt and type Python --version and it will show you Python version. But if you're getting an error that says Python is not found or something like that, that means you need to install Python. So what you can do is you can go to this here, hover over downloads and click on this button and Python installer will download. Once this is downloaded, you can just open it and install Python for yourself. And once Python is installed, we can check where it is installed by typing this where and then Python. You just type where Python and this path will be shown, and that can be used as the interpreter. So what you can do is you can click here, select interpreter, click on enter interpreter path, click on find, and now we'll see where our Python was. So as you can see here, Python is inside C, users, Vishal, app data, local programs. So what I'll do is I'll go to this PC, C, users, Vishal, app data, local, and then programs, and here we have Python. So, and then we have Python 3.1.2. So we select this whole path and we can click on select interpreter from here. Sorry, you click on this python.exe and then click select interpreter, and now the interpreter should be selected, and then again click this and click on this one here, and as you can see the Python version is shown, and now you can just run your Python project and that error will be fixed. So let's wait if this is successfully running or not. As you can see, my program is successfully running, and yeah, we have selected a Python interpreter. So also this is a example of an exercise that I have from my Python exercises series. The link is in the description. There you can learn a lot about Python. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.